Right now we're gonna camera toilet area, restroom area for unit 117, hallway restroom. They've been having issues with backing up. We have to unstop the line before we can actually run the camera. That way you see a lot of paper build up here already. I'll try to flush this and see if we can clear that up a little bit. Anyway, push through. Line seems pretty good. Try to pass up. This line here, portion here catches the tub. Looks pretty good. And it starts from here. It starts to build up with water a little bit and more. We're gonna run the water so we can see a little clearer. So that cleared up a lot better. As you can see here, the line is pretty much full, more than halfway. This allows the paper to sit back. Is it coming up? This is for the drain. Makes this turn and drains into this here, right here. So as you can tell, it falls in there. I'm going to scoop like this enough to make this turn just enough to see. Right there, as you can tell, the line has to get full a certain height level of the pipe before it can drain. So that allows the paper to stay back. You see? And it makes a weird turn here because it's going up before it goes down. So the water falls into the line. As you can tell right there, it kind of drains. Yeah. Try to get a better view of it. Right there, it just falls into the line. It doesn't actually drain into the main line. The paper could be backing up there as well. As you can tell right there, how the water just falls in there, allowing the paper to stay back. There you go. There's probably a better picture there. The water just falls into that line. See? There it is right there. That allows the paper to stay back. And it doesn't allow it to fall. So this whole line gets full of paper, and then so once the water drains, paper stays behind. This is the 4-inch line I'm going into, so it'll be still quite a bit of pipe that's covered underwater. I will be writing and that's recommendations to repairing the line to give it the correct fall. Majority of the work will be done outside in the hallway instead in the unit. The unit is occupied. Well, that's the end of our movie.